We just had a fantastic session here at the Gherkin with 18 leading retailers, and despite the climate, a bit of a squeezed environment in which national living wage, apprenticeship levies and business rates, not to mention GDPR, are looming, these retailers were talking about innovation, and that's exciting. Innovation to solve practical problems which help manage that bottom line, but also, and most importantly, innovation around improving the customer experience, how to do more with less and how to really differentiate and stand out in 2018.
Every retailer around the table and in the industry is focused, how can we make it as seamless as possible to the consumer, make it easy, stress-free, I think is probably the best way to describe it, because that's what an average consumer is looking for, a stress-free way to purchase an item or items.
The number of touch points that a customer has within your business will create a vast amount of different data trails. The biggest thing that I think needs to happen is being able to actively pin those together, but more importantly understand which is the great stuff that you want to accelerate and work off of, because so many times you can have data for data's sake. All you end up doing is going after this mythical customer that you're not actually going to deliver any benefit to.
To make the most of one's data, a retailer needs to build a platform that connects the data together, and then to build intelligence. Intelligence through models that is then very consumer specific as an individual, not as a group of consumers. Therefore, we can target more effectively what makes you, a consumer, different to what makes me, a consumer, different.
I've probably seen more change in the last 5 years than I have in my entire career within retail. The thing that really, I suppose, excites me is that so many other companies are fighting the same battles that we are, so therefore it's all to win and ultimately all to lose within this industry.
Really pleased with the conversation today. We learned a lot about improving that personalisation and understanding the customer, and I'm really excited to see how over the next few months with GDPR landing, how these retailers and brands will take that personalisation to the next level, differentiate themselves and really stand out in 2018.